Top. Seeking a demand, we can't say.
Hello everyone, welcome back to 21 Trim Haircare Studio with me, Mara. On today's session of the Haircare Studio, stay with us from the beginning to the end to know how to do 1.5 top with high fade drop. Let's go! Holding the helix down, we start to create our balding as our step number 1.
Hey, see me now, I'm raising the bar. Roshan, not pretenders. When are you awake, you ruin me, I'm over the top. Seeking a demand, me can't separate you, your rowdy rampage. If you want hit, go in it. If you want vex, man, do it.
We then introduce trimmer to clean the balding for it to be clean.
Talk is for waste, man. You know, man can't they wait on the day you go overstep. Pelly say relax. Tell you a small but relax. Be Antonio withdrawn for the bag on the way to the south. They will ship the honey overseas to the world. It's worldwide gang.
With fully open clipper, we create our first guideline. With the introduction of one guard or 3mm, we introduce our second guideline.
Me I forget that grab, me I forget that I heard the level grab customer. You know the rosy I show customer,
We make sure we clean after every steps to make our clients feel so comfortable.
The level grab customer. You know the rosy I show customer,
We can now see 0, 0.5, and 1. We comb the hair to get the hair particles well, where we introduce our 1.5 for the length or for the top length. We bring back our one guard fully open to balance from the 1.5 and the one that we created. That is from the top to the one that we created. We introduce one guard fully closed to clean our second guard line, just like what we are doing. We then introduce 0.5 to clean the shadow of the one fully closed that we did. On our fully closed clipper, we can see our first guideline there. So what we are coming to do is we'll clean by using flake out method from beneath the guideline onto the guideline to make sure we clean our first guideline. On the sideburns, we do the same fading process onto it. We then line up from the middle of the hairline onto the side of the hairline and to the edge of the hairline. We introduce our straight razor to make our lineup crispy. So Eric entered the studio with this, and now we have something like this. Here we go. This is why there's a need for you to join 21 Trim Haircare Studio brand.
Number one.